Hola amigos, hola amigas, welcome, bienvenido, croeso salam, welcome to the channel y'all, Chesh and Yakshimash. Good day y'all. So I'm just going to say to you, Merry Christmas, Feliz Navidad, Bon Natal, Bon Noel, and Bon Nuit. So today we are taking a look at this sweater. I dug this sweater out because I thought, right, I'm going to do a video today. I have a number of videos to do for you guys. So I thought, right, okay, let's Christmas it up a bit with a little bit of lights and my flashy necklace and my Christmas sweater. And I put it on and I realized that this one has lights on it, all over it. So I could not find the little battery pack anywhere for it. But on my side, somewhere here, is the port. So this is the little electrical port for it, and I need to battery it up basically to get the lights working on it. So I need it for something that's happening on the weekend, and I need it for all day. So I was digging around and I remember I found this battery pack. Now I bought this originally for the Miele Acunova, thinking that this would work, but it didn't. So it's a bit overkill. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 batteries in this, but I just think we should give it a go and see if I can connect this up somehow onto this sweater. We should get the Christmas lights working on it, but I need to take the sweater off, and I ain't doing the video bare-chested. So I've got another Christmas t-shirt that I'm going to wear, bring you guys closer, and let's see if we can make my Christmas jumper come alive. Okay, so here we have my Hideous George Christmas jumper that I've had for a few years, and on the t-shirt it has a number of LED lights that flicker and flash. If I turn the t-shirt inside out, the sweater inside out, and if we look at this side, we have a little port here for the lights and a little pocket for the original battery pack to fit into, but this is rather big, so I've got an idea of what I can do for it. But first of all, we need to connect these wires up. So I'm looking for a nice easy solution to connect these wires up, get the battery in, and see if we can get the t-shirt on and off. Now this has an on and off switch on the pack. And they're very large. So this is either going to blow them, set it on fire, or last for the whole of Christmas until 2029. So these wires, yep, they are separate going into this, and there's 2 going into there. Very simple procedure, but let's get my little kit out. And let's get fixing. Okay, so I've got some suitable crimps, wire cutters, and the crimping clampers, whatever they're called. Let's get you guys over here and then we'll take a look. Okay, here we go. So I've got you over. Let's cut these wires. Let me get a little cutter for that. Okay, that was a quick job. Just give these a little twist. And I'm going to put the female ends onto the sweater. going to put the male ends on the battery pack. Okay. Let me go and get the batteries for this. So many of you are probably going, it's too much, it's gonna blow. Doesn't matter. Let's give it a go. Let's put the top on. Make sure we're off. Let me put the t-shirt jumper the right way around so we can see. Here's the port. And let's see. Yay! They're partially working. That one's not working for some reason. And I think I've just burnt them all out. Have I burnt them all out with too much power? That one's holding on. Let's turn it off. Yep, we burnt them. We burnt all the LEDs in the t-shirt. Yay! Merry Christmas! Well, that was a disaster, but never mind. We gave it a go, and that's the most important thing. Oh, hang on, there's one alive. There's one alive there. Is it gonna die? And yep, that's it, they're dead. So there we go. The moral of the story is, if you have one of these jumpers and you lose the battery pack and you can't get the battery to work on it, don't use 8 LEDs on it, because that's not going to work. It's going to blow out all your LEDs. So there we go, guys. Moral of the story is, if you get a Christmas jumper with lights, don't do this. There we go. Thank you very much for watching. Have a very Merry Christmas and a dim-fronted electric Christmas tree jumper. Bye!